little card, and you know what, my friends? Guess what? These items are on our newest Stamp and Die Hard Club set. They're so adorable. Now, check out this stamp set because it's absolutely so cute. Has our cute little bunnies with the watering can and little running through the grass. Don't worry, be hoppy. Hopping by to say, I'm all ears, or happy birthday, or pouring out my love for you. Some bunny loves you. I'm just a hop, skip, and a jumping away. Hop to it. Now, of course, my friends, there are dies that match. Look at how cute. Now, we give you the inside dies as well, my friends. Don't forget. Not only are we giving you the shadow dies, we're giving you the inside dies as well. Cute little rain pieces there, and even a cute little butterfly. So adorable. Now, club members, Ken gets up extra early to get these in the mail to you. If you're in the stamp club, you're getting the stamp set. If you're in the Die Hard club, you're getting the same stamp set and the dies that match. You're also getting a handy dandy postcard. Now, club members, guess what happened? I messed up. I'm human. I do it once in a while. I mess up. On the postcard I designed, I show these dies that say, hey bunny, and I show that they are included in the Die Hard set. They are not. The price came in way too high and they couldn't fit in my budget, and they should not be on the postcard. But I thought, you know what, that's really not nice of me to show it to you and then not let you get it. So here's the deal, my friends. My mistake is your gain. If you are in the Die Hard Club this month, February 2023, and you are still in the club in April of 2023, guess what? In your April shipment, you will be getting those Hey Bunny word dies for free. I'm just going to throw them into your April set. It's just a little thank you. Sorry, I made a mistake, but I'm going to make up for my mistake, and it's your gain. Now, if you're not in the Die Hard, well, guess what? You can buy those dies at regular price in April. But my Die Hard Club members will get those dies for free because I made a little mistake. Now, let's jump in and look at our awesome samples. Look at this cute little bunny. I absolutely love it. Hoppy days are here to stay with that cute little watering can. Love it, so adorable. Now, just a heads up too, my friends, if you don't like to color, white bunny. Bunnies are white also. Just make a white bunny and you don't even have to color. Isn't that cute? Pouring out my love for you. Look how cute that is. Oh, and that's a sneak peek for my Kit Club members. Here's another little sneak peek for my Kit Club members. Look how cute this little girl is, just bouncing around over there. Now look at how fun this one is. Look at those cute little cheeks with those little extra dots on there. Sheila, you added such cute little dots to our little bunny's face. Now here is what I'm talking about. White bunny. Another sneak peek. What? I know, check that out. Isn't that cute? Absolutely love that little girl. Oh, another sneak peek, my friends. Oh, I'm showing you all these sneak peeks. Isn't that awesome? Look how cute that little bunny is just there. Hello, spring. Oh, and I love the little bow up at the top. Now, here's another cute one and another sneak peek, my friends. Now, some of these sneak peeks, you're going to watch the next video and you're going to see them. And if you hurry, you might be able to get in on that bundle. Did I say that? No, I didn't. Okay, look how cute that is. Now, club members, as I mentioned, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. We have so many different options for our club, starting at as little as $13.99 a month. And that includes shipping. That includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. You would get this adorable stamp set sent to you. It's always brand new. I design new ones every month. You would never get a duplicate from us. And as a club member, you get a 15% to 20%, depending on which clubs you're in, discount off of our entire website. That means die cut machines, that means die cutting accessories like cutting pads, that means totally Tiffany items, that means adhesive, cardstock, paper pads, everything, every single thing, not one exclusion. Online classes, it includes everything, 15%. It's like a sale every single day on our website. $13.99 a month, and you get this stamp set sent to you and that discount. You also get club points, you get anniversary gifts, you get a bonus just for joining. You gotta check it out. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video. Now, those of you in the club, you get to rest assured, you know you're getting this stamp set, you know you're getting the die set. If you join the Die Hard Club this month, February of 2023, you will also get that Hey Bunny die free in April. Run, 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 go, go, go. Also, if I went too fast on any of these samples, guess what? They are all on our website. Go to the product gallery and you can see all of these ideas and even more. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.